we are going to use conversion factors to convert between metric units. The textbook that you have gives you information on conversion factors. You can find that information on page 84 to 85. I'm going to complete the sample problem found in your textbook on page 88. The question or the problem asks us to express 750 dg, which is decigrams, in grams. This table is the table I asked you to glue into your notebook. On this table it has a bunch of prefixes. It has the symbols for those prefixes. It has the multiplier, or how many base units can be found in each prefix, as well as the exponent form of that multiplier. Everything above the base unit is a larger measurement, and everything below it is smaller. Therefore, you have multiple base units in all of these prefixes that are above the base unit, and you have decimals below. In order to solve conversion factors, you need to identify some things. What we need to identify are our known, our conversion factor, which I'm going to just write as CF for conversion factor, and then the unknown. The known here is what they start us with, so 750 dg. D stands for deci, the G stands for grams, and the unknown is what I'm looking for, so I would put a question mark in there and do a G for grams. The conversion factor I'm going to create from this table. I'm going to find the deci, and I'm going to look at the multiplier. This number is how many base units are in the prefix. So that means my conversion factor, there is 0.1 grams. This number is the number of base units in the prefix, so it's equal to 1 decigram. To solve all conversions, it's the same general format, the known, the conversion factor, and the unknown. And then the general formula is you take your known, you multiply it by the conversion factor, and it's going to give you the unknown. Sometimes you can have multiple conversion factors. In this case, we do not. The known is 750. I got to add the unit, and I'm going to actually make this over 1. I'm going to multiply it by the conversion factor. This equivalency I can make into a fraction. I'm going to make a line, and then I want to cancel out like terms. So I'm going to look at the units here in my known. The dg is a numerator. I want to cancel that out, so the dg is going to be the denominator for my conversion factor. If I write this in first, then a lot of the thinking parts are done, because I'm going to cancel out these like terms. I'll go over here to my list, and I see that there's 1 with the dg, so I'm going to just keep that 1 there. And then I have my numerator spot left, and I have information on the left side of the equal sign or the equivalency, and I'm just going to copy it here. Same principle as we looked at for density. When one unit is a numerator and the other one is a denominator, you can cancel out like your like terms, and then we're just going to multiply across and then divide. So in my calculator, I'm going to go 750 times 0.1 divided by 1, and that's going to give me 75. The only unit I didn't cancel out was grams, so my answer is in the unit grams. I have just converted 750 decigrams into grams.